What Velo means to me is really just a huge family of people that come to work every single day with the same goal of redefining what is possible in manufacturing.
This is a company that's not just building cool new gadgets, so they really make 3D printing work the way it's supposed to work, which is you hit the button and it prints the part. And it turned out 3 years ago, nobody could do that.
Velo is an opportunity. Velo is an opportunity to change the paradigm on how people think about additive manufacturing and how they consider our industry.
One of the things I love most about Velo3D is seeing our customer success and the innovation they're able to unlock with our technology.
I love telling people that I work for a company that is changing the world and that we're putting parts on rockets that are going to space and that we are helping change the way we look at oil and gas and that we are changing the way we are innovating for aircraft and aerospace. To me, that's very exciting.
I think what makes Velo different is two things, the passion and performance. Not only performance of the machines, the software that Benny has led the development of, but for customers, being able to improve the performance of their products is huge.
I think that Velo is something very unique. We have a really strong group of people that have made me better at my job just by being around them.
It's the people. It's the people who first had a great idea about how to 3D print. It's the people who acquired a 3D printer, took it apart, and decided that there was a better way to do it. It was the people who helped them create our first lab tool and print with it. The people who created the first customer tools, the people who supported them, the people who work in every way to support Velo3D, and the people who have joined since then have infused us with their enthusiasm and their idealism, and it's just a great combination of old hands and new people.
One of the things they like about the fact that we're going public is it validates who we are as a company and help us get the money we need to grow and expand and build more cool stuff.